have a quick look at chords. So let's have a look at the major triads. Here we're looking at C major. So the notes of a major triad are the root note of the chord, the first note, the third note, and the fifth note. So in C major, the chord is composed of C, E, and G, and you simply use the same principle. Let's just dial that round to A to look at the notes in the A major chord, and you'll see that the notes are A, C sharp, and E, and you simply do that in the same way as you do with scales to find the notes of every major triad. Also, minor triads. If we want to know the notes of a minor chord, we simply align up the indigo sector with the chord we wish to know. So let's look at C minor. The notes are C, E flat, and G. So that's the first, the third, and the fifth. And again, you do exactly the same for all of the other notes. So the notes of the A minor chord are A, C, and E. And in the book here, as you can see, we talk about the majors and the minors. It shows you what I've just shown you. The difference between the major and the minor triad shows you the formula for the dominant seventh chords, other major chords, the 6th, 7th, major 9th, the minor 7th, 11th, 9th, diminished chords, other dominant chords, and the suspended and power chords. So it's all here in the booklet, and with your gizmo you'll see just how easy it is.